What is up everyone, it's Matt here. Today we're in the foothills of the Rincon de la Vieja volcano and we're showing you Buena Vista Eco Lodge, one of the must-dos from our last trip to Costa Rica. This place really has a lot to offer, both if you're looking for some adrenaline and also if you want to get close to the nature and try some local food. We are starting with the zip lines, so to get to our first location you have to take a 10-minute walk uphill through the forest full of wild animals and plants you have never seen before. You'll be given thick leather gloves which will be used for braking on some of the faster cables, and here's a short clip from two of my favorite ones. There are 12 platforms and 7 cables with distances from 90 to over 400 meters in length and approximate heights between 50 and 150 meters. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section below. What better way to refresh after zip lines than with a really cold starfruit juice? After that you'll try some local food served on a plate made from a palm tree leaf. First we have cornbread, quite sweet, so usually served with a cup of coffee. Then empanadas, typically for this region made with cheese and churro. Corned beans, good snack made of cheese and corn. Homemade bread, and last, fresh local cheese. Gracias. Costa Rica's coffee export is vital to its economy, so next on the list we have a visit to a local coffee shop and a little roastery. We're also going to do some myth busting here. Despite a popular belief, darker coffee isn't actually stronger. Actually, the lighter roasted beans contain a lot more caffeine than your espresso roast. Right after that, you have to put your swimsuit on. Water slides next. Ladies will be given something that looks like a leather nappy to me, although it looks really funny. It protects your bottom from getting scratched on the slide. How's your nappy?
It's quite uncomfortable.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a leather nappy.
That's actually pretty fast. Here we have a white-nosed coati in its natural habitat, another example of just how much wildlife is around us. But let's get back to the slides. Check out how fast it was. Right after slides, we went for lunch, where we enjoyed buffet with some local specials. But hey, you're not here to watch me eat. Let's get to the horse riding. Safety is our #1 priority, so helmet is a must. If you haven't done horse riding before, don't worry. These horses are really well trained and basically do everything for you. All you need to do is sit back and enjoy the ride. You can pick 2 different routes, one of them towards 3 waterfalls, a 2.5-hour journey through the forest, and the second one, the one we went for, towards thermal waters, a 45-minute ride enjoying the forest and its surroundings. Once we packed up the horses to get to the waterfall, we had to take a 20-minute walk through the narrow path in the forest again. Brilliant opportunity to spot some animals and enjoy the views. Through the power of editing, we're in the swimsuit again, ready for our next stop at the volcanic mud baths. First, we had to take a shower. The water is super cold though, as it comes straight from the spring. Then it was time for sauna. I tried to get a good shot inside, but it was super difficult. Interesting thing is that you can hear something like a heartbeat noise inside. Next, it was finally time to get covered in mud.
Get it on your face.
Now let's just stop here for a second. Do not put it on your face. The mud got into my eye and really irritated it. When we finished applying the mud, we went onto something like a platform above the spring where we stood in the sun until the mud has fully dried.
Can you eat it?
But I hope so, because I've had some in my mouth.
Maybe it's good for your teeth.
Has weird consistency.
Oh no.
Hola, chica.
Hey Matt, how are you liking your mud experience? Can you show us some emotions?
Now, I don't know about you, but I hate the feeling of something drying on my skin, so I try not to move. Can you see your nails?
Very nice. No.
Once it fully dried, we went back to wash it off. When you start washing it, it changes into something like a really fine scrub, and it's really hard to wash off. Mom, let's see your face.
Help me out!
Lastly, we got to spend some relaxing time in 5 different thermal pools, each with a different temperature, all really hot though.
We're going in the tractor right now. There's no other way to get back actually.
If you enjoyed this video, let me know and hit the like button. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.